accepted you. It is we who unpicked him and put him as Secretary General of ODM. He has never been elected anywhere as Secretary General of ODM. Then they want to walk around disparaging the party leader, Dr. Oburu Oginga. These are statements which Sifuna would never have made if Baba were alive. And now that Baba is gone, he thinks he's bigger than the party. He's being used by external forces, anataka kuharibu chama, because you know Sifuna should not even be maintained as the Secretary General of ODM. I say this because most of the people that support him are in direct variance with what we believe in. If we are saying that we are in the broad-based government, and Sifuna says he does not acknowledge anything called the broad-based government, he has to go. If Sifuna stands here and says that, and he said this even when Baba was alive, that he will read every statement, he will read whatever, but if the party decides to support Ruto, he will not be part of the party. The party has shown for all intents and purposes that it is sympathetic and willing to support President William Ruto for his second re-election. So what is he doing? He's wasting our time and he's going down, he's trying to scuttle and break the party from within. Then he hoodwinks us. He goes to visit Dr. Oburu Oginga in the morning to take a photo on Baba's birthday. Then in the afternoon, he goes to carry with some legislators and starts saying that he's calling for a truce, he's extending an olive branch for anyone who has insulted him. He must produce records where we have insulted him. I have never insulted Sifuna. But Sifuna has gone ahead and insulted leaders. So he thinks that if he takes photos with Mama, he will hoodwink our emotions. We still maintain that until he has full respect for the party leader, Dr. Oburu Oginga, he will go. And he has three options. He will go by that National Delegates Convention, which they are calling. They are pretending, they think that they have the delegates. I am a delegate within the Orange Democratic Movement. I assure you, I will mobilize fellow delegates and we will show these people dust. All these people, and remember, even people like Kina Babu, Kina Nani, that meeting, the photo that you're showing me, those are some officials in the party. The laziest officials, you'll never see them in any party organization. Head of science and research is Babu. Head of one of the political secretaries are one of these things. And here in the party now, the only person whose leadership we acknowledge is Dr. Oburu Oginga. It does not matter. You could be Baba's relative, you could be the official that we acknowledge as the party leader. It is not sexually transmitted, it is not genetically, it is only Dr. Oburu Oginga. And Sifuna is at variance with that. He goes ahead and he's managing all these theatrics. So he's running around the country, beating, thumping his chest as though he got there by himself. He was an affirmative action candidate, and he could not even garner that, he could not garner votes. So if he thinks he's bigger than the party, atoke tu aende kwa hiyo chama, huyo mtu anafanyia kazi tunamjua, mtu ambaye anampatia pesa tunamjua. All these things that he's doing, he's just doing them to distract us. And then he goes ahead and acts as if he's the one who has been aggrieved. When he says that some people wanatoka from small communities, what language is that? That is Rigiji language. That's how Rigiji speaks. Sifuna ameanza siasa ya shares ati kuna wale wanatoka kwa small communities, wanazaana, wanapigiwa kura. That's a Secretary General. Atuonyeshe minutes where we agreed that is how our spokesperson is supposed to be speaking. And I know he's trying to get into presidential negotiations, but he cannot be. He's trying to agitate so that he's brought into the board. Just the same way he was not considered for cabinet, is the same way he's not in this negotiation board. And Dr. Oburu Oginga should now stop bembelezering Sifuna. We will deal with him for you. Sifuna either atatolewa na NDC ama atatolewa vile aliingizwa because he was not voted in. Ama vijana sisi